This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that this budget will bring a lot of positive changes in industry, investors and infrastructure sectors. Calling it historic, Modi said the vision of self-reliance can be seen in the budget. He said the proactive budget, which focused on health and wellness, will help all. He said the budget will also generate employment opportunities for youth. The Prime Minister said several changes have been made, which is to help growth and job creation in the country. He said this budget has categorically made announcements to ease and make the lives of women better. The Prime Minister said this budget focuses on sectors that are related to both health and wellness. A special focus has also been on infrastructure and Ministry of Small and Medium Enterprises. He said the budget of MSME has seen an increase of more than double compared to last year. 11 vernaculars in all likelihood are set to get introduced in the schools of Sikkim from the next academic year. The PS Thamang-led SKM government in Sikkim has reportedly asked all schools in the state to introduce 11 vernaculars in their curriculum from the next academic session. Students will be required to pick one as their second language. This was informed by the Sikkim Education Department. The first round of Intensive Pulse Polio Immunisation (IPP) for children from 0 to 5 years in Meghalaya began yesterday. Dr. N. Roy, Surveillance Officer of World Health Organization, said polio drop is very important for protection of children and the community from the disease. As long as one single case is there in the world, all children will be at risk. He also said that polio is like COVID-19. There is no treatment, but with the use of vaccine, it can prevent it. He said that on 13th of January, India has completed 10 years where there is no fresh case of this disease. We have to continue to immunize so that they will be protected from polio. He further said that in Meghalaya, around 5 lakh children who are below 5 years will be covered in all 11 districts for the next 3 days. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the new buildings of the Garo Badha Higher Secondary School and Rangsakona Secondary School in Salsela block of West Garo Hills and Beta Singh block of Southwest Garo Hills. The projects have jointly received more than 4 crore funding from Asian Development Bank. The Chief Minister said that he hopes that the new infrastructures will enhance the learning experience of students and will add to the improvement of literacy in the district. In Manipur, the COVID-19 vaccination campaign has been going on smoothly and 56.63% of the total targeted beneficiaries have been vaccinated till yesterday. In the first phase of COVID-19 vaccination campaign in Manipur, healthcare workers were vaccinated at 10 sites spread across the state. Altogether, 386 healthcare workers were vaccinated yesterday at 3 sites, thus increasing the total number of vaccinated healthcare workers to 4,373. The vaccination campaign was launched on the 16th of this month in the state. The COVID-19 vaccine Covishield has been used in the vaccination campaign. Mizoram is witnessing a declining trend in the active cases of COVID-19. The total number of active cases has dropped down to 33 as of today. Also, the recovery rate of COVID-19 has improved to 99.3%. According to the State Medical Bulletin, no new case was recorded in the past 24 hours, while 7 patients recovered yesterday. With this, the tally has reached 4,372, of which 4,330 patients recovered from the infection. Meghalaya COVID-19 update reported 0 new cases yesterday, while there were 6 recoveries from COVID-19. Directorate of Health Services informed that the recoveries registered were all from East Khasi Hills district. Till date, the total confirmed COVID-19 cases stands at 13,764, out of which 13,556 are recovered, 62 active cases and 146 deaths. In Manipur, the positivity rate of COVID-19 among the general public has drastically decreased and only 4 persons were found positive out of the total 948 sample tests done during the past 24 hours. While 9 persons were discharged, thus improving the recovery rate to 98.24%. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice